I'm really shocked to see the outburst of Mr. Churchill Alimao yesterday, who was only trying to create panic among the people of the state of Goa. I think Mr. Churchill Alimao is a good human being at heart, but uneducated on facts and absolutely clueless about what's happening in the state of Goa. Actually, it happens sometimes when you're in opposition for too long. It is the same Mr. Churchill Alimao who was, when he was not a member of the assembly, never raised the fish issue. Interesting to know that suddenly they have got so interested in fish because they have to be in the limelight, and I don't blame them. I feel actually sad for them because they have nothing to do in the opposition. What I suggest to them is that they should constructively make suggestions to us rather than just creating panic in the minds of the people, telling the people of Goa not to eat fish. I, along with our Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, are very serious about managing this situation in the state of Goa. Hundreds of trucks used to come into the state of Goa earlier, but today, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Mr. Vijay Sardesai and myself, we have had a joint meeting. We have put monitoring systems in place. We have also got the Government of India agencies in place at the borders. The Japanese government, what test it accepts and levels it accepts of the fish to get imported into the country of Japan, same standards are being applied at the borders in the state of Goa. I would like to appeal to the people of Goa. We have a lot of politicians in Goa who are doing nothing at the moment, only trying to create panic and fear in the minds of people. Ignore them. As a health minister, I am accountable to each one of you. I am accountable to your health, healthcare, welfare, and ensuring that food safety is the highest priority of this government. It has been constantly being monitored by officers who round the clock are working. Surprise checks are being conducted. We have only few trucks coming into the state of Goa. Those trucks are thoroughly checked. The fish in that is checked. Random checking is the method that is where there is a standard norms which we follow. And documents that are not available in the vehicles are being sent back. We had laid down a protocol that we require insulated vehicles. We have certain conditions which we had laid down earlier. Only trucks following and fulfilling those conditions allowed in the state of Goa. I would like to appeal to the people, the fish in the state of Goa and the market is absolutely safe. Please don't get carried away with politicians who have no knowledge of what they're talking about. Actually, we should feel sad for such people and ignore such people because they have nothing to do. By making a press conference, they come into the limelight. It's really very sad. A man like Mr. Churchill Alimao is actually trying to create panic and fear in the minds of the people. And I also like to appeal to him that to refrain from making such irresponsible statement because the government is very serious and government is very clear as to what is to be done. And I, for one, as the health minister of the state of Goa, am responsible, accountable to the people of Goa and will ensure that food safety and higher safety standard norms are maintained. And there's nothing to be worried about.